Luto yan. Hindi na luto. Ayan si Daniel. Oh, Daniel. How about the taste?
I like it. Mommy. See that?
Ah,
He's making a good eat. Yeah, see that? Good eater. Yeah, he loves to eat that. Delicious.
sarap.
And what can you say? Is it delicious? Huh? What can you say? Super duper delicious. He said a while ago.
Gilbert. You ask Gilbert. You ask Gilbert.
Wait.
Nasaan na? Nawala na yung ano, focus. Focus na yan.
Daniel.
How about you? Is it delicious?
Very good.
Okay. And you too, Mama. But
Wow,
it's delicious
yummy.
ever I taste it.
Ano ito? Gilbert? Next yan.
Yeah. And next, later, the painting show. I'm gonna eat more and Mama! Here is our sister. Mamaya ako yung Ferdy. Kumuha ka na yung see that? It's very great. Pwede ako na muna yung almost done. Now that's wow. Look at that one. Great one, huh?